How to find Spotify Wrapped. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and now make sure you are signed in. Further, on the top banner of Spotify, you will see the option for Wrapped. So tap on the Wrapped option you see there, and then in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Let's Go option you see there in order to start your 2025 Wrapped story and stats. Here you will be able to view your top songs, artists, and genres. You will be able to view the total minutes that you have listened to Spotify. You will be able to view your podcast highlights, and there also are new features like listening age and wrapped party. And just in case if you don't see the Spotify Wrapped option, even after the Spotify Wrapped has been rolled out, then it could be because you are using an outdated version of Spotify. So open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Spotify and make sure the Spotify application is updated to its latest version, and then go ahead and open Spotify again and you will be able to view the wrapped option. Even then, if you're not able to find the wrapped option, then it probably is because you have not listened to enough songs in 2025. So this is how you can find Spotify Wrapped. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.